guys, welcome back to the channel, Yorkshire Crafter, and today I have got a little unboxing. Some of you might know what this already is, but let's have a look. And it says pretty things inside, stay positive, and then there's lots of, so this is from Etsy. It's from Don't Step on Your Needle, from a lady called Jana. So yeah, don't step on your needle. So some of you, like I said, will recognize that Etsy name. There we go. Open it a little bit. Oh no, I've broken the box. Oh, slicing. There we go. There we see. Oh, look at the little sticker inside the box. It says, thank you. It's a little polar bear fishing. But yeah, this is inside the box. So yeah, I like the sticker. I ended up keeping the sticker last time. I'll probably do the same again this time. Pull it out the box nicely. Put those away. See if I can keep the sticker again. Yeah, I did it again. Keep the sticker. So let's have a look. So we'll have a look at those in a minute. But yeah, there's some goodies. Lollipop. It's got a heart-shaped lollipop, very nice. And then we have a chicken with a flower in its mouth, very nice sticker. And then we have this as well, so like a laminated flower. That's really pretty. I like that. Yeah, very nice touch. Yeah, really nice. So put those bits in there, and then we will take a look at what needle minders I got. So this first one, look at that. There's a fox, a hedgehog and a raccoon, and they're in the forest. Oh yeah, very nice. And it's got the star, the fluffy back. They're magnetic, very, very strong. Let's pull this off. And I think she's changed her cards. It was the pink lettering before, I believe, and it's now green. So very, very nice. But yeah, plastic, very nice. Look, watch. Wow, very strong. But yeah, that is very, very cute. I'm very happy with that one. So let me get the price for that one. That one was, it should have been £1.50 down to £1.20. She was having 20% off. So yeah, £1.50, very nice. So next I'll try and do these one at a time if I can. So, next we have this one. It's a little hedgehog. So cute. And on the back of this one is a star. So yeah, again, very, very nice. Plastic. Yeah, very nice. So the price for that one I think was the same. Let me just double check. The hedgehog. Yes. Priced at £1.50, but I got it at £1.20 with the 20% off. So that's that one. And then this one last. I had to get this. Look at that. It's a wizard with a kitty cat. But yeah, gorgeous. And on the back is the star. So yeah, that's the back of it. Very, very nice. Yeah. So yeah, the same I think. No, this one was a little bit more. This one, it should have been £3.20, but I got it for £2.56 with the 20% off. So yeah, I paid £2.56. So yeah, very, very nice. Let's put them back on the card. That's that one. And then this one. So yeah, very, very nice. I'm very, very pleased with these needle minders. So I actually forgot last time, but let's give them a measure. So this one is 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters is the wild animal one. The hedgehog is also 4 centimeters by 3 centimeters. And the wizard is at the width of it 2.5 by 4 centimeters. So yeah, I'm very, very pleased with those, and the extra goodies from Jana as well. So yeah, very, very pleased with that little haul. So yeah, thank you very, very much, Jana. I am very pleased with that purchase. So I always like getting the extra little goodies as well. The lollipop. I really enjoyed that last time. It was really nice. So yeah, I am very, very pleased. So yeah, I've been on the lookout for a while for a Halloween themed one, and then just the animal ones caught my eye, the little hedgehogs. So Jana does have social media. She's over on Instagram at Don't Step On Your Needle, Facebook at Don't Step On Your Needle, and then she also has a email. So yeah, very nice. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys go and enjoy the rest of your day and have a fantastic week. So remember guys, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Bye guys.